we'll guide you through how to download Figma on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Figma website by typing figma.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, click Products in the drop-down menu and look for the option that says Download. Click on it. You should see options for different operating systems. Make sure to select the one for Windows. Click the Download button for Windows, and your browser will start downloading the Figma installer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files, and double-click the Figma installer file to run it. A security prompt may appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The installer will then open, and you can follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It's quite straightforward. After the installation is complete, you can find Figma in your Start menu or search for it using the search bar. Open Figma, and you might be prompted to log in or sign up. Enter your account details or create a new account if necessary. Once logged in, you can start working on your projects right away. Remember, Figma works best with an active internet connection as it continuously syncs your work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.